How's the audio and video? How's the signal? Dave, what's going on? Invite your followers in, everyone. How's the signal look? How's it look? How's it sound? Everything look good, sound good? Hey Bobby, how you doing? Big Micah. How's the video and audio look, Micah? Hello, Townsend, Mass. How are ya? Bobby, how's the video and sound? Nobody's answering me. I need to know how the image quality looks. Please let me know. Perfect. That's great. All right, now everybody has to invite your followers in. Well, you don't have to, but it would be nice. Hi, Davey. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Full Light is here. Good evening, Full Light. Mountain Biking's here. Davey Boy is here inviting followers. Thanks so much, Davey. So there's the city right over there, guys. There's Boston. There's your Boston skyline in the distance. We're about 13 miles north of the city. Hello, Full Light. How are you? A little windy up here. How's the sound? Is it okay? Can you hear me all right? Can everyone hear me okay? Hey, Long Island, what's up? Everything is set right on the money. Excellent. So this is the beach here. This is on the bay side of Nahant. This is the bay side. The ocean side is right over there. Yeah, sorry about the wind. Excuse me. So the sun sets in the west, obviously. So I couldn't give you a sunset from the ocean side. But this is the bay side, which includes Lynn Harbor over here. There's Lynn, City of Sin. You never come out the way you went in. And this is Nahant. This is the harbor side of Nahant. Very beautiful. Nice clouds tonight. Gorgeous clouds in the sky. The colors are going to be amazing. Yeah, it's always better when there's clouds. Tiffany, good evening. How are you? Nice to see you. Thanks for joining. So there's some nice homes here right on the water. Well, Massachusetts is awesome in the summertime, but in the wintertime, no way. Not a great place in the winter. Leonard Breton in the house. Follow Leonard, everyone. Sorry there, I blocked you by accident, but I unblocked you. What did you upgrade to, Leonard? iPhone 8, awesome. I still have the 7 Plus and I love it. Love my 7 Plus. Yeah, that's nice. The 8 is a nice upgrade from the 6. Beautiful clouds tonight, guys. Picture quality's good. That's excellent. Love it. Hello, Ashlyn. How are you? Great to see you here. Thank you for coming in. Oh, is that right? Xfinity has a nice deal going on right now. Speaking of nice deals going on right now, I just checked with B&H Photo in New York. They've got a great deal right now on the Mavic Pro drone. That's nice, Leonard. Yeah, the B&H in New York, the video company, photo and video company, B&H out of New York City, has a great deal on the Mavic Pro drone right now. I think I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on that. Welcome, SM, first day on Periscope. How are you? Logan Airport is down that way. Way, way, way down there. There's a plane right now heading to Logan. See it? Yep, they're closed now, yeah. But I was just looking on their website, and they're offering a great deal right now for the Mavic Pro. I think I'm going to pull the trigger on it. Finally, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, but I'm going to go ahead and do it before the summer's over. Picture quality is amazing. That's great. Awesome. Good to know. So I'll be doing some drone scopes before you know it, guys. Drone scopes will be coming soon. I got some ideas for some drone scopes. Oh, there's plenty of great views up here on the North Shore. Boston's a great city. Very, very great city, especially in the summertime. Also, it's also great to be here in the fall. You get some beautiful fall colors in the leaves. The foliage here is great. A lot of leaf peepers coming up here in the fall. Look at that sunset, huh? Isn't that gorgeous? Let me zoom in on it a little bit. How's that look? That looks pretty, huh? I'm just taking a walk along the beach. Love this beach here. It's great for sunset. There's not a lot of beaches here on the North Shore where you can actually see the sunset over the water. And we're on the Nahant Bay side of the town of Nahant. It's a little island. Yes, they were. This is a tiny little island here, Nahant, connected to the mainland by a causeway, which I will show you when we go back this way. We're going to continue to walk down here, and I'll show you the causeway that connects it to the mainland. Hey, Robert's here. Hey, Robert, how you doing? Follow Robert, everybody. Great scoper out of Queens, New York. Thanks for coming in, Robert. Just checking out a little sunset here. I just had dinner at a nice seafood restaurant right here in Nahant. It's called the Tides. Look it up, Google it. The Tides Restaurant. I'll show it to you in a minute when we get over here. Look at that sunset coming through. It's poking through the bottom of the clouds right now. Look at that. Gorgeous, huh? I always love a nice sunset. Cheryl's here. Hey Cheryl, thank you for coming in. Lena's here. Hello Lena, my girlfriend. Follow Lena. Follow Leonard Breton. Follow Lena. Follow Robert. Follow Cheryl. Welcome Princess. Welcome so much. Thanks for sharing, everybody. Thanks for all the hearts. Thanks so much for all the hearts, the super hearts. You guys rock. Thank you so much, my love. Lena just gave me some super hearts. We just give each other super hearts, and that way we, when we cash them in, we can either give them, donate them to one of our favorite donations. Sometimes we'll take each other to dinner. There's a plane coming in, heading to Logan Airport right there. There's the flight path to Logan. All the planes are coming in now. I'll show you where Logan Airport is. It's way over there. Logan Airport's way, way, way over there. Yeah, it's pretty today. The cloud cover is nice. There's some nice clouds in the sky, which always makes for a great sunset. It's nice to using the periscope internal image stabilization, because I can walk and the image stays pretty clear. I love being able to walk using image stabilization. And you get a nice stable image, even though I am walking right now. See how nice and steady that image stays when I'm walking? You don't need a gimbal if you use the periscope's internal image stabilization. You just don't need it. Nella, welcome, first damn Periscope. How are you? Thank you for coming into my scope. Yeah, it's a pretty sunset, Leonard. Very calming effect. Just after a nice dinner of fresh New England haddock. Broiled haddock I had for dinner tonight with some asparagus tips. Lena is back. Hello, Lena. So yeah, guys, I think I'm going to pull the trigger on a drone on the Mavic Pro. B&H is offering a deal right now. I'm going to pull the trigger on it, probably tomorrow. Mo is here. Hello, Mo. Thank you for coming in. Oh, there's a guy swimming out there. Wow. Check this out. Look at that. There's a guy swimming. See him? And it's only up to his waist. The water is not even deep out there. Like when he stands up, it's up to his waist. Yeah, I guess the water must be warm. Hello, Keith. Follow 617 Images, great scoper out of the Boston area and a friend of mine. Hello, Keith. We're over here on the harbor side of Nahant. I just had dinner all by myself. Had a nice broiled haddock dinner with spears of asparagus grilled. Nice view in Newburyport. Awesome. Yeah, it's a nice night. Here, you're going to get a nice silhouette coming up here of a dog and his owner. If you want to do a screenshot, this is the time. There's going to be a nice silhouette right here. I don't mind eating alone. Not a problem. Get this silhouette, guys. Here, let me go this way. Silhouette time. Screenshots. And there's a guy on a rowboat out there. Constantina, how are you? Thank you for joining. Thanks for coming in. Oh, now look at the city of Boston now. Now you've got some sunset reflection on the glass. Look at that. Look at the city of Boston. You've got some nice orange reflective light on the buildings. There's your city of Boston, guys. In the distance, with reflections of the sunset on the glass buildings. Massachusetts, just north of Boston. There's the Boston skyline right there. There's a nice screenshot for you. Oh, there's a nice screenshot right there. How's that? Get that screenshot right there, guys. Great screenshot for you right there. Boom. Yeah, it's a gorgeous sunset. Very orange. That means, it probably means it's going to be another hot day tomorrow. That's right, everybody. Follow my girlfriend right there, Lena. Follow Lena. She's my girlfriend. She does amazing cooking scopes. Hello, Bangor. R.M. Beck is in the house. Hello, R.M. Beck. What's going on, everybody? Hey, I started watching a very, very funny show on Showtime. It's called Our Cartoon President, and it's about President Trump, and it's all done in a cartoon format. Has anybody else seen this show? Who has seen the Showtime series called Our Cartoon President? Oh, it's so funny. You'd love it. It's all done in cartoon, and it's Trump and the whole family and his wife, and the cartoon characters that they made are just amazing. You got to check it out. Here comes another plane. Mo, you watch it? It's pretty good, isn't it? That's you flying over. Hello, hello up in the sky. And there goes the last of the sun. The sun has now set. Waving as you go. There you go. Heading into Boston's Logan Airport. There's the city again right there, guys. North of Boston. Rob is in the house. Hello, Rob. There's your Boston skyline right there. Approximately 16 miles from here. As the crow flies, probably take you 15 minutes to get in there from here by helicopter. Yeah, this is when they catch stripers at sunset. Actually, there is one fisherman here. There's a fisherman right over here. I'll show you. There's a guy fishing off the wall, or he was. I don't know if he's still here. Nice. Take a martini. Love that. Yeah, look at this sunset. Very pretty. Very orange. Big orange orb in the sky that just set in the west behind the landscape there in the distance. I might have to scale these rocks now. How am I going to get up here? Oh, that's pretty easy. I can do this. Yes, honey, this is where I scoped your feet. This is right across the street from the restaurant, from the Tides restaurant. Let's see if I can get up these rocks. You think I can get up these rocks, guys? Because I ain't got no more room ahead. Look, there's no more room. We're running out of space here. All right, I can get up here. I did it. Very easy, very easy. There we are. So let me show you the Tides restaurant right across the street. I told you I would. This is where I had my dinner tonight. Right over here at the Tides. If you ever come up here to Boston, check out this restaurant on the North Shore. This is called Nahant, a little tiny island just north of Boston. There's Nahant. I had tonight. I had a nice piece of broiled haddock, white fish. It's a local fish. I had a piece of haddock and some grilled asparagus spears. Delicious. Here's the Tides restaurant, guys. Now you'll get to see the ocean side. You got the Blondie song in your head? Why? Why do you have the Blondie song in your head? This restaurant's awesome. I take Lena here all the time. We eat here constantly. It's right on the ocean. Very beautiful place. Let me show you guys. They also have ice cream here for the summertime. They have an outdoor window. This is if you want to just order from the outdoor window. And also they have like 3 different areas inside where you can sit. And they also have a nice outdoor deck. Let me go this way. Look at that. You can watch the sunset. You can sit there by the window and watch the sunset. Let's go down to the beach. Now see, we are now on the Atlantic Ocean side. Before, for the sunset, you were across the street. That's the west side, facing the west side where the sun sets, and that's Nahant Bay and Lynn Harbor. Now we are on the ocean side. Yeah, this beach is gorgeous. Now here's the restaurant. Check it out, the Tides. It sits right on the ocean. This is really great seafood here. Lena and I eat here all the time. Look at this place, right on the ocean. And this is the town of Nahant right here. Yep, restaurant on the rocks, and they have an outdoor deck right here too. See, that's the outdoor deck where Lena and I usually eat. there it is. What a great spot. And these are some of the nice little homes in Nahant. Nothing fancy here. These are small homes, but they're right on the ocean. What a great little town. And this is Nahant Beach. Gorgeous beach here. Very clean. If you have children, the tide never comes in. There's not a lot of like heavy duty current or waves here. Even at full high tide here, it's very gentle. Children can come here and swim. There's no currents. Right now we're at low tide. Hey, G-Lo's in the house. What's up, Greg? Aloha, Greg from Hawaii. Follow Greg, everybody. Nice scoper out of Oahu in Hawaii. Everybody, Lena wants you to guess how old she is in that photo. What, your profile picture, Lena? Yeah, dude, I just had a nice piece of haddock right there at the Tides restaurant. Nice piece of broiled white haddock fish, local haddock, and I had it with asparagus spears right there at the Tides restaurant. One of my favorite spots. Great restaurant here. Yeah, local seafood. Have you ever had haddock? Haddock is a New England seafood. Very nice fish. That's the Tides restaurant, everybody, and this is the town of Nahant. Little island here connected by a peninsula. I'll show you that peninsula. There's a causeway right over here. I'll show you. This is where I walk all the time. Here, let's take a walk up here. I'll show you the causeway. Here, let me come back this way. Let me come back up around. Take you back past the Tides restaurant, back out to the street so I can show you how Nahant is connected by this one causeway that connects it to the mainland. Some great scopers in here tonight, guys. Follow everybody. You guys follow each other. What's going on, everybody? All right, I'm going to show you the street now. So this is the causeway in Nahant. Good to see you too, Constantina. All right, let me show you this causeway. Sunset just happened. If you want to see the actual sunset, go back and watch the replay. Here's the causeway, guys. So when we have severe storms here, this causeway is usually shut down. They shut this causeway down, and anyone who lives in Nahant, if you are not here during a storm, a lot of times you ain't getting in, because this is the only way in and the only way out. The causeway, which connects Nahant to the mainland. There's only two roads here, one going in and one going out, and it's all on the same causeway. So sometimes during storms this gets flooded out, and when it's flooded out, you ain't getting in or out. There's no way. That is the causeway. I'm gonna have some fun doing drone scopes over here. We should have some really nice fun doing drone scopes. Duty Ron, are you in the house? Hello, Ron. What's going on, my friend? Let me show you the city again. In the distance. Nice to see you. Follow Ron, everybody. Duty Ron. Great scoper out of New York. Retired New York City police officer. And here's the sign welcoming you to Nahant. This is right at the end of the causeway here. I'll show you the causeway one more time. There's the causeway. I'm not moving for a couple of more years, but I am investigating Miami Beach right now. But I'll be staying in Boston in the summertime with Lena, and then I'll be living in Florida for the winter. So here's the city of Boston in the distance. There's the Boston skyline right there. No, I'll be here in the spring and fall. I'll only be doing winters in Florida. Winters only. Thank you for sharing, Ron. Appreciate that. There's the city of Boston right there, guys. There's a nice screenshot right here. If you want to take a screenshot, now's the time. That's a nice one. Post it up on Twitter. Yeah, I'll be renting out something. Either I'll keep my, I might keep my condo up here and rent this out while I'm gone. I don't know. We got to figure it out. I haven't figured that part of it out, the financial part. But I'm either going to sell my condo outright here and then just live with Lena in the summertime up here, or rent out my condo up here in the winter. I don't know. We'll see. Got to figure it out. So there's the sunset, everybody. The sun just set about 10 minutes ago. Nice orangey sky right now. Remember the Cars song? That Boston band, the Cars? There's a lyric where he says, where Rick Ocasek says, orangey skies, always with some other guy. Yeah, I might do that. I just haven't decided yet. Lena can't leave her job yet for a while. I'm retiring before she does. So she'll still be living up here. We're not wealthy, so she has to continue to work, and we'll work it out somehow. Either I'll just stay with her in the summertime. We'll plan it out. Guys, have you ever heard that song by the Cars? Bye Bye My Love, where he says, orangey skies, always with some other guy. Nah, I'm not looking for a different woman. What are you, crazy? I don't need no different women. I got the best woman on earth. What are you kidding me? All right, guys, I'm going to end the scope. So here's your final shot right here. Haha, no, Lena, you're the best. Trust me. I've gotten around. I've been around the block quite a few times. Haven't found anybody as good as you. And I don't need to look any further. So there's your city of Boston in the distance. And there's the sign, Welcome to Nahant, founded in 1630. This is what I'll leave you with, guys. All right, everybody. Have a great night. I'm going to head home, relax a little bit before I have to go to work. By the way, check my Snapchat out. A lot of busy breaking news last night. We had a double shooting in Boston. 2 people shot in the chest last night. And then I had a huge 3-alarm fire that I got great flame footage of that. That happened like right down the street from where we usually sit in our news cars. So we got really good footage of the flames on that fire. And also, then after that, they sent me out to Western Massachusetts early this morning at the end of my shift to cover some tornado damage. Trees down, a roof blown off of a house. So check out my Snapchat. That's where you'll see all my breaking news. Snapchat is the same as it is here, Boston_camera. And that's the same for all of my platforms. It's Boston_camera here on Periscope, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. So follow me on all those platforms. And there you have it, everybody. Everybody, you have a great night. Thanks for joining the Scope. I leave you with this view of the city of Boston skyline in the distance. Welcome to Nahant. Take care, everybody. Thanks again for the hearts, super hearts, and for your support.